Regional Manager for Agriculture, Mr. Kadir Mohammed, Senior Agriculture Officer, Panisa, Mr. Sharma from Korovou Research Station, and our esteemed farmers, Bulavina to you all. Thank you all for coming here today. Today we are here to hand out to you a small package which consists of silent cloth. Any cluster here or just one cluster? So it consists of silent cloth, knife, fork, jerry can, sewing tray. So for individuals, it will be 25 meter of silent cloth, one fork, one knife, one jerry can, one sewing tray. For the cluster, it's 10 jerry can, 10 sewing tray, 10 knife, 10 fork, and whole 50 meter of silent cloth for you to construct a small nursery so that it supports your seedling drive, or supports you to have pot plants, or support you to grow some vegetables, let's say lettuce or cabbage, etc. So we're very excited that this will boost your morale, motivate you, and also support you to expand your production. You've been chosen from a very competitive process. There was, I think, over 3,000 applications for 600 individual packs, and there was, and there are 120 cluster groups who are receiving this, so throughout Fiji. So I want to congratulate you for applying online, and I want to congratulate you for being selected to receive this package. So I wish you all the best, and I look forward to handing over the package to you. Thank you, Manaka.
Ramani Bolobo. Penny Ranga, Delay Farming Group.
Tanpa cukup. Mari tuan.